St. Louis Life is a residential program that serves adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities. We currently serve 16 people, 8 men and 8 women, and our mission is really focused on providing an independent living opportunity and independent living environment to help our residents be as independent as they can be. Our interest in solar really came from our founder, Rob Trulask. He passed away in 2008, but he had a passion for being environmentally friendly and supporting the environment. And so this was really one way that we were trying to sort of achieve his goals and his wishes in supporting the operations of St. Louis Life, helping reduce our costs, but also being environmentally friendly. The way we finance the solar project here at St. Louis Life is, first of all, we work with an outside sort of third-party financing organization, Balance Solar. Because we're a nonprofit organization, we're not able to take advantage of some of the tax credits because we're a tax-exempt organization. So we work with a third party who could take advantage of those tax credits, and then they passed some of those savings back into the overall project. Secondly, we had a wonderful donor that came forward and said they really wanted to support this project for us, and so they offered a significant amount of financial support. So the reason we chose StraightUp Solar is we went through almost a year-long process of requesting proposals or bids from different solar companies. We spent a lot of time reviewing those and interviewing various organizations. And so there were a couple of reasons that we chose StraightUp Solar. First of all, we liked the people. They were incredibly helpful, very informative of the process, very patient as we went through our bidding process. And so that made us feel really good. Number two, they were local, and that was important to us. We do our best to try to support local vendors whenever possible. And third was the price. The price was very competitive and in comparison to other vendors. The installation process went very smoothly, at least from our side of the table. The crew that was here during the installation process was fantastic. I don't know if I've ever had a vendor come in and be as clear and as open and as so strong in communicating with us on a daily basis what was going to be happening, going over the company's values, going over the plan for the day. Fantastic communication from the local team. Secondly, the crew was incredibly sensitive to our operations during the installation. So our clients live here, our staff work here every day. We didn't close, we didn't shut down, and they were very, very sensitive to and wanted to be as non-invasive as possible to our day-to-day operations. The first bill that we got since the installation was definitely a nice and welcome change. We're looking forward as we get into next year, into the sort of peak times during the summer, which we're kind of past now, where we expect to really see a significant change in our bill from Ameren. Most places, most organizations that have a physical campus, have the capacity to look at solar and include solar in their energy source. And it's a long-term investment, but for us being a long-term organization, we saw it as a critical part of our long-term mission, and it helped reduce our costs and also helped us be environmentally friendly.